Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, everybody? This is Sayyid once again. Peace and blessings be upon you all. As you can see in the screen today, I have a very good product in my hand to review. It's called Brandfy, or what do we call it? Brandfy. Okay, Brandfy. So what is this exactly? You can see it. I'm already inside the product itself. This is actually what I can say is a cloud-based graphic editor or a graphic designer for you. I mean, imagine like person like me, I never use Photoshop. I hate Photoshop. So a product like this is going to make my life easier. I know if you're into your own job, or if you're like for any of your business or anything, you might require either a banner or a thumbnail or a logo, or for a Facebook ad, or just name it, anything, anything to do with your everyday business online, you might require this. I mean, just tell me, any business needs a logo, it needs a business card, it needs, like, if you're going to YouTube, you need the thumbnails, you need, like, if you want to do social media, Instagram or Facebook ads, like banner ads, anything. Everybody have to go to do Photoshop, or I mean, there are some free versions are there, like Canva and stuff, but it's not like, I would say, like robust. It's okay. I mean, there are free things, we can start doing it. But this one, this Brandfy, it seems to be like, I got a review access. I've been playing around. I'll show you inside. This is why I'm already inside. Actually, you can see this is where I am. I'll show you just a couple of examples as well. But before that, let me show you what is the potential of having this product. Let's go into a website called Fiverr. Okay, just imagine Fiverr. I just searched like banner ads. Imagine the people charging here $60, $25, $15, $30. This is just for for doing banners. Let me type in like thumbnails. Reason is the potential of doing is, these are all like for one thumbnail, within an hour, $10, $5. Sorry, let me have this. I'm in a different PC, so you can see this. For these are all like thumbnails. Let's do some search on banner ads or logos. Let's see logos. That's every company in online, you need it. $20, $40, $20, $30. This is just for one logo. Imagine, either you want it for your business or you want it to do for a client. So that's where this Brandfy comes into picture. So this is, I'm already inside the dashboard. Like, it looks so simple. Like, people like me, I'll just go into dashboard. Whatever you want, it's here. Like, you want to do logo, business cards, slogan generator, profile picture, cover, story, you name it. Anything you might regularly require in your online business, or even offline, you can do it, and you can give it for a printout, and you can use it for offline. So image ads, square ads, banners, YouTube thumbnails, even for image cropping. So let me just show you a couple of examples. I'm gonna leave the ad, the demo of this product at the end of the video, so I don't want to take lots of your time, but just show you just a sample. Like, let's go into this one. There are two options. Either you can build your own, or use the templates you're going to get. I'll show you the what you're going to get, but the basic, just go through the templates what they have. They are going to give you, like, I think the basic one, I think 100 templates you're going to get. I think that's more than enough to to keep doing it for yourself. So these are sample ones you're getting, templates. So you need to just choose use template and get it, or you have this something called an extra upgrade, like it's called premium templates. So either you go like this, you just choose anything, just press use template, it just loads up, and it's a matter of putting your logo, or just changing a small basic of it. It shows you there's an option to, very simple. Rather than keeping it more complicated like Photoshop, they made it simple. That's what I like about this. Images, you can upload your own images. That's something you can do. So let me just show you just a quick of everything, so you get an idea of what you're going to get. So just go into business cards. Let me go into thumbnail. That's my favorite, because I'm more into YouTube. So let's see thumbnails. So I every day do review lots of products. I have to do lots of templates. So imagine this. You're going to do some review. Take this one, just put your image and use it. That's how good it is. That's clean and crisp the images are. So that's a good thing about it. So if you like, you want to do it on your own, like just go to dashboard. Like, that if you don't want to use the templates what you have, then you can just go and just use the live builder. They have this both option. You are thinking you might want to do it your own, you want to load straight away like a basic thing. So you're going to get an empty thing. Then you can choose the backgrounds, whatever backgrounds you can choose. Just click, it goes up. Then you can have the text. You can see the text, add the text. So icons, there are some icons. Then you can take some images. So if you don't like these ones, you can upload your own. That's how good it is. So that's the good thing about this, like that they they have, the basic things they have, like any I think in terms of templates, I think hundreds, and for the icons, like they're given like different, you can see this, like small more emojis and stuff. So it's like, I'll show you for the price what you're going to get. It's like, from this you can even start doing a business for you, like in Fiverr or Conquer, or imagine lots of websites are there, freelance websites, where you can start doing your own like a logo or agency for doing all these graphic design. So it's simple, but it's clean and crisp. That's what it is, and it's not like a complicated one. That's the good thing about this Brandfy. I like that one. Okay, I'll put the demo in the end of the video so you get an idea what it is. So let me go into the pricing part, what you're gonna get. Yeah, so once you click the link below, you're gonna be taken, you'll be coming into this page. This is my bonus page. 1 second. Yeah, okay, this is my bonus page. I'll show you what is this exactly. Yeah, what are you gonna get for the price, what I showed you, the basic software. You're gonna get it for $27. So this, for the 7-day launch, it'll be increased $10 every day. So keep in mind, if you like this, it's always better to get it on the first day. Any products on WarriorPlus or JVZoo, it's best to get it on the first day, so that you save a lot. That's the good thing about these kind of products. So what are you going to get, like around 100 templates? Yes, yeah, that's the good thing. You're going to get also like free commercial license and 100 templates. So what all can be done? Logo, business card, slogan, as I showed you, what the basic things, all those stuff. So there's also a pro version for just for $27 per month. What this, I always say audios are just optional and going to make your life easier. If you're comfortable, if you are good, if you really want to go into, go. But it's always, you can come back and buy that. So it's not like urgent. You need to buy it straight away, because these are going to be on the membership area. You can come back and buy. So what this pro version is, you're going to get it like monthly. You get more and more templates, not just the 100. You get more. So if you're completely going into this route of building logos and thumbnails and all those stuff, this might be useful. Like you want to be bringing up every month, you're going to get new ones. That's a good thing. And the OTO 2 is, it's a license. Basically, you get this product on your own, $97, the entire Brandfy product, and then you can sell it on your own as your own product. So that's the most important thing. So what I want to do is, I want to give you some cool bonuses, because this is my affiliate links. When you come here, these are all my affiliate links, so I do get commission. So I want to be honest with that, what I'm going to get. So over this, you can see any of these green buttons. If you press, it will take you to the sales page and you can get it from there. So that's, I really just want to give you some cool bonuses, because products, I always say, online, any products are good. It's going to make your life easier, but the lifeline of any product, any online business is traffic. So I always try to give you some traffic based bonuses, so that it will be helpful. Whether you do some logos or you want to do something, it has to be on a website, so you have to promote it. So that's where this comes into picture. So you need to bring people to your website or to the video or to the YouTube channels in order to make them buy from you. So that is where the people, 90%, like everybody struggle, even me. I'll be honest with you, for last few years I have struggled and I've come to this level. So I want to tell you that this is the truth. Not many people tell you. They just sell you the product, but product is only 10%. The remaining 90% is the traffic. So I always say, master any traffic. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, whichever is comfortable for you. Stick to it, learn from it. That's what I did, So I always try to give you some cool bonuses which is going to help you with the traffic. So first one is such thing. It's called Auto Social Traffic Plugin. It's going to help you get some traffic from 8 social sites. That's the first one. Second one is, so with the Brandfy product, you have some products, to do. You have some good quality things you can do, like graphics and thumbnails. But you need to advertise this. It's better to have it on a website. So the best cheap and free website is a WordPress. So I put together some WordPress from scratch guide. So it will help you to build a website. If you don't know, I mean, it's so easy nowadays, so you can easily build it. But if you don't know, this is going to help you out. So you can advertise all your services in that website, and then you can drive traffic to it. Then drive traffic to it. That's a good thing about it. So the third bonus is one second. Sorry for that interruption. I just got a call. Okay, the third bonus is you can see this another cool bonus which I'm adding is some like 3 alternative methods. Like it's also to do with traffic. I learned from Jono. So that's been added here. And the 4th bonus is this is like, it's another cool bonus, because when I say build a WordPress website and advertise your products, people do come to your website. But what happens is not every people are going to convert. When they come, they go back. They leave. They press the back button. You can see this back button. They press the back button, most of us. So this is a cool bonus. It's a paid version, but this is a hack which I learned from Marketer. It's a plugin. When you press back button, it will take them to the place where you want them to go to. So that's a cool thing. So you can advertise something, your service, again to that page, or you can drive them to your Fiverr page or some page where you want them to buy. So that's a cool bonus I want to add. So it's like most of the bonus I give, I want to make sure it's going to help you in terms of traffic. So that's the cool bonus. The next one is this is another cool bonus which I learned from Mosh. It's a case study where he shows you how to drive traffic, like how to get 700,000 monthly visitors. That's another case study which is going to help you as well. So these are all the cool bonus of its term to do with traffic. So that, even if you have a product, you need to bring people to buy the product. So this is where it's going to help you. So that's what I want, mainly my aim is. So if you like it, just go and try it. It's going to be like $27 per starting day, and then it keeps increasing every day for the 7 days launch. And other than this, there's also, you're going to see some cool bonuses at the bottom. If you're into affiliate marketing or money making niche, just come and join my free Facebook group where I every day give you some tips and tricks. So that I just also wanted to give you some bonuses to join if you like to. So it's not a compulsion. So, and also where you get these bonuses, as soon as you purchase, you're going to get it like this. You can see that access affiliate bonus in JVZoo or Warrior Plus, wherever you're going to get it. You will see this access button, and you can, below that purchase button, you will get the bonuses. So that's what you're going to get. And have I shown you everything? Yes, yeah. So once you click the link below, you're going to be in this page. So you click any of these green buttons, and then you'll be taken to the not this one, yeah, the sales page. This is the sales page, yeah, and you can go through. It's a big sales page, and there is a demo of this one. I didn't show you fully, I think, so I'm going to add the demo to the end of this video so you can decide before even going to buy it. So the reason is you'll get an idea whether it's good for you or not. So it's just what I showed you, it's here. So they have the live builder as well as templates part, so you can get used to it. But to my knowledge, out of this software, I'm telling you, I myself been using a lot in terms of thumbnails, because my job is to do with YouTube. So more YouTube thumbnails and logo. So that's where for me, it's going to be useful. Similarly, for your business, it will be any particular, like for Facebook ads or for Instagram ads. So that might be the part you want to use it. So it's up to you. If you like it, go for it, and it's a good price. $20,000 is a good one, because it's a no-brainer, I would say. I mean, there are products where the people get like for monthly version, like every month, the same like the pro version. But if you're happy with the 100 templates, you can stick to the basic one. You can always come back and buy the, if you want the second one. So that's it from me, guys. If anything, just drop me a comment below. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe. I'll just almost every day bring some cool products like this, and I do review for it. That's it from me. Thanks for your time. Take care. Bye.